Welcome to the fourth video on asynchronous programming using Microfocus's TruWeb protocol. In this video, we will show how to use timers in a TruWeb script. Before continuing, please make sure that you are familiar with the promise concept of JavaScript, as this is a prerequisite to understand the rest of the video. Timers allow you to schedule an asynchronous operation. TruWeb supports two types of such actions, which are equivalent to the set timeout and set interval functionality of the browser. Let's create a timer. In the constructor, we provide a callback function that will be called when the timer elapses and the delay until this function is called. Then we can call the start timeout API. As with all asynchronous APIs, if we need the result of the API, we must wait for the call to finish before we exit the action. A timer can wait for the elapsed callback by awaiting on the wait API. Let's run the script and see that the logs are printed correctly. We wait for the timer to fire periodically. Now we change the code such that the timer fires every second and stops after 5 times. We can use the stop API to exit the timer wait when we don't need the callback anymore. We can see that the log is printed 5 times and that the script ends immediately. Thank you for watching this video about using timers in TruWeb. This is the final video in this series of video tutorials. For more information on the asynchronous APIs and many more capabilities of TruWeb, please visit the online help and our forum. Thank you for watching.